2015 in India, every hour a farmer committed suicide. Drought, debt, and farm-related issues were on a rise. Maharashtra saw the highest number of farmer suicides in 14 years. Lost all hopes, the kids of these farmers were deprived of basic needs. Worried about his hometown, 25-year-old Ashok Deshmane was steadfast to create a change. Free shelter and education for the kids, Snehavan was thus conceived in 2015. Resigning well-paid IT job, Ashok brought together 18 kids from different villages to his home in Pune. Though resisted at first, his parents later joined the initiative. While his mother cooked meals, father taught music for the kids. Finding like-minded life partner in Archana, they expanded their Snehavan family to 25 kids in 2016. The journey ahead was indeed tough. A miscarriage, premature delivery, but nothing could deter their passion. More than 30 people in a 3-bedroom house with a premature born, the struggles were many, but Ashok stood headstrong. Destiny played cards in 2018. Dr. Smita and Ravindra Kulkarni came forward to donate 2 acres of land. However, creating everything from scratch was a challenge. Determined to fight, they started organic farming, biogas production, dairy farm, and solar-powered electricity. Slowly, many like-minded people started associating, and currently, Snehavan shelters 50 kids.
जब कुछ भी हाथ में नहीं था तब चालू किया था। आज बहुत सारा प्यार लोगों का मिलता है। अड़चने है, समस्या नहीं रहेगी तो हमें काम करने की क्या जरूरत है? समस्या है इसलिए हमें काम करना है, और समस्या है इसलिए हमें काम करने का जुनून मिलता है। तो समस्या आने दो, हम उससे जूझेंगे और हमारा इरादे के आगे कोई भी समस्या नहीं टिकेगी।
Apart from supporting school education, it also facilitates skill-based learning. Right from yoga, music, cooking to public speaking, the center offers training for various soft skills. Computer lab with Wi-Fi, one of its kind container library of 6,000 books. Cohesive environment is crafted for the kids. Kids below poverty line from neighboring villages are also welcome to avail the facilities at the center. University of Washington recently recognized their work, and Ashok was invited as sole social innovator from India. They also support education for 30 girl children from downtrodden communities like garbage workers and beggars. For those who cannot travel to the center, they also have a new program where teachers travel to the villages to teach.
Be the change that you want to see in the world. फिर वो किसने करना चाहिए? तो मैंने खुद नहीं करना चाहिए. So it's my duty, not my social work. और जब बच्चे भी हम सेलेक्ट करते हैं तो अलग अलग गांव से सेलेक्ट करते हैं, अलग अलग जिले से सेलेक्ट करते हैं कि आगे चल के इन बच्चों ने वहां पे उस समाज के लिए, उन गांव के लिए काम करना चाहिए. अगर एक बच्चे ने 10 बच्चे भी पढ़ाए, अच्छा रिवॉल्यूशन आ सकता है.
Aiming to support more than 2,000 kids by 2022, Ashok aspires for a nation where not even a single child is deprived of basic education.